Hindi ya monanio ma wonjoria na urimi mwena wa Mwea kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga magitongorio ni Ngabana wa kaunti no Ann Waiguru hamwe na onjoria kuma kaunti-ini no niguo kuonania uthunduri wa indo itiganite kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga. Ngabana Ann Waiguru ambiriirie na guikia ritana kuri onjoria guku bururi-ini gucera kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga na maigithie kuo amu kwa ihinda riri kaunti ino iri na riera riega ria wonjoria na barabara cia rami iria itwikaniirie kaunti ino.
Our county is growing very fast in terms of its critical infrastructure that supports investment. We have a good transport network. It's not the way it was 5 years ago when I was first elected. That boasts of many kilometers of tarmac roads, with the upcoming Keno Marua dual carriageway being the game changer for our county.
Waiguru augite thirikari yake ri mubango-ini wa gwaka kiharo kia iganda mwena wa Sagana mugunda-ini wa eka 250 na ni kunyita itemi rinene hari guthondeka mieke ya mawira na ukuria wa kaunti ino.
Just secured the support of His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, William Samoei Ruto, to set up our industrial park in Sagana. It is one of the things that he managed to secure support and funding for us from his visit, which he is at in South Korea.
MCA wa Tebere Peter Kariga hamwe na Minister wa wonjoria Kalbat Munenejeru ni matugiritie makinya maria matacukitio ni thirikari ya Kirinyaga hari wonjoria.
If we collaborate in this particular county, we will be able to move and develop this particular county.
Our county is well endowed with the natural resources necessary for trade and agriculture to flourish, and we are happy to support and welcome investors into our county.
Onjoria ria mekinyite igongona-ini riri ni makeneire mweke uyu makiuga ni mahotete kurehe utungata hakuhi na muingi.
Ni tuteithitie muno ta Agitech tondu ni tumite tucemanie na arimi aingi muno to expand market itu thiini wa gutwara mbegu Kirinyaga yothe na nja wa Kirinyaga.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma Mwea kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, jitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.